Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, with my 5 to-dos for November. Let's get started. Number 1, give your furnace some TLC before the season starts. Get your furnace or boiler professionally cleaned and checked for safe, efficient operation. Getting the necessary parts repaired, replaced, or cleaned will help reduce early replacement of this expensive device. Number 2, pack your place with winter needs. Now, if you live in an area where the snow or freezing temps can be in the forecast, then you have a bit of preparation to take care of. Make sure your snow thrower has been properly maintained for its big day. Make sure you have snow shovels at the ready, ice melt, and roof pucks, so you're not competing for others for these sought-after supplies when the snow starts to fall. Number 3, check the caulking in your bathroom. From discolored to cracking, being ahead of any problems with caulk can help with future problems. Consider removing and replacing caulking that has deteriorated. Staying on top of these areas will help from mold growing and larger plumbing issues from getting out of hand. Number 4, care for your countertops. If you have marble, limestone, or granite countertops, keep them in shape by sealing them. Use a product like Granite Gold will help create a barrier to protect them against stains, etches, and soil buildup. Number 5, have your carpets cleaned. Consider renting a carpet cleaner to clean wall-to-wall or area rugs, even upholstery. It will be a perfect way to prep for the season of guests popping in for the holidays. You'll be amazed at how dirty it all is, and these machines will pull so much of that dirt from the material that just vacuuming cannot. The carpet cleaner you can rent at a participating Ace is super easy to use, and I can prove it coming up in our next video.